So next important questions of the chapter agriculture is define plantation agriculture, then explain any four characteristic of plantation agriculture. So plantation is a type of commercial farming where a single crop is grown on a large area. The following are the four characteristics of plantation. So plantations have very large areas. Capital intensive inputs are used, migrant laborers are used, all the produce is used as a raw material in respective industries. So the development of plantation is the result of a well developed network of transport and communication connecting plantations to market. So if anyone asks you about characteristic, then you have to just write capital intensive inputs are used, migrant laborers are used, all the produce is used as a raw material in the respective industries. Next is how has irrigation changed the cropping pattern in many regions of India? Explain with example. So answer is irrigation has changed the cropping pattern of many regions with farmers shifting to water intensive and commercial crops. Like due to the success of the green revolution in Punjab, Haryana, Western Uttar Pradesh and parts of Rajasthan, these states have started growing rabi crops like wheat, barley, peas and grams. These are possible only because of the introduction or after the green revolution. So paddy has become an important crop of Punjab and Haryana. In states like Assam, West Bengal and Orissa, three crops of paddy are grown in a year. They are Os, Aman and Boro. Then next, the development of canal irrigation and tube wells has made it possible to grow rice in areas of less rainfall than such as Punjab, Haryana and Western Uttar Pradesh. Okay, next is a statement like question. Wheat and rice farming in India are fairly different from each other. So just support the statement with 5 suitable examples. So point of distinction. First is temperature. For wheat require 14 degrees Celsius to 18 degree temperature. High temperature is harmful for wheat cultivation. Then for rice requires 16 degrees Celsius to 27 degrees Celsius temperature, and average temperature of 24 degrees Celsius is ideal for the cultivation of rice. Then the point of distinction is rainfall. That means the differentiation is on the basis of rainfall. So for wheat, 50 to 100 centimeter rainfall is required for the wheat, and for rice, 100 centimeter to 200 centimeter rainfall is ideal for the growing rice. Then the point of distinction for soil. For wheat, fertile alluvial soil or mixed soil is ideal for the wheat cultivation. For rice grown well in alluvial soil or in fertile river basins. It also grown in mixed loamy or clay soil. The next point of difference is land. So for wheat, plain land or gently slope is ideal for the wheat cultivation. And for rice, the rice also plain land or the gentle slope is ideal. Again, the point of distinction is largest producer. So for wheat, Uttar Pradesh is the largest producer of wheat, and for rice, West Bengal is the largest producer of rice. Then the last point of distinction is other producing states. Like for wheat, we also included Punjab, Haryana, Madhya Pradesh, Andhra Pradesh, Tamil Nadu, and Bihar are some of the wheat producing states. And for rice, the other producing states are Bihar, Odisha, Andhra Pradesh, Tamil Nadu, Kerala, Assam, Uttar Pradesh are the some of the rice producing states. Now explain rubber cultivation in India under the following heads. First is importance, second is geographical condition, and the third one is any two rubber producing states. So first of all, we start with importance. So rubber is an important industrial raw material. In the question, if anyone asks about what is the importance of rubber cultivation, so you have just simply write rubber is an important industrial raw material. Second is geographical conditions. It is an equitable crop which is grown in tropical and subtropical areas. It requires moist and humid climate with temperature above 25 degrees Celsius and rainfall above 200 centimeter. Then any two rubber producing states. So it is mainly grown in Kerala, Tamil Nadu, Karnataka and Garo Hills of Meghalaya.